Check it on the map.
Another search mission here. What I'm interested is in flying over the creek now with software, mapping software, because it gives me a way better time or way to find the drone as opposed to using the video, because it takes a lot clearer pictures. And I just want to get to a altitude I'm comfortable with, because the lower the better. Let's see what 120 looks like. It looks good. So get in position. And I'm going to switch apps over. Turn on DroneDeploy, which is pretty amazing software. The creek mission all plotted out. Drone connected. Let's do this. Checklist. Test photo is failing. I haven't seen this. Restarting the drone. Ugh.
Photo capture started.
Every time the camera goes blank, it takes a picture. I believe I have a good altitude, not going to hit any trees. It's a little nerve-wracking, but necessary. Even though these things have collision avoidance, it doesn't mean, I don't know if it's going to detect a tree top. I don't see how it could. So there's a lot of snow on the ground, so if it's not, I'm just really doing this as a test run. So when the snow melts next week, I'll be able to look again, but I got a strong suspicion it landed in the water. But the only way to tell is to map the area out. You get a beautiful layout with this. The software is pretty amazing. You can see everything. I made a video of the a map for the owners of the trailers. I can't talk today. Curtis Community Trailer Park, and it just came out incredible. I flew at 250 feet, and I could see my dog's crap in the backyard of my house. So if I can see dog crap from 250 feet, I should be able to see this fluorescent orange colored drone from 120 feet. But this is really a test flight to make sure that I got altitude and I'm not going to hit any fucking trees. It's going to take Up to 40 pictures. Looks good. As long as a bird doesn't attack it or someone shoot it down, should be alright. That's right about where it would have went in the water. Just wait it out. 80% battery, 70 photos. Yeah, what I was doing before was relying on the video, and you literally, from 200, 100, even 100 feet off the ground, it's really hard to see anything on from the video. Even though it's a good picture, but you get way much higher resolution with these photographs. They're like almost 3 megabytes a piece, and you can zoom right down. You can see everything. So if this thing isn't in the creek, which I don't know, and it's on the land somewhere, when this snow is gone next week, I should be able to find it if I fly the same path over again. But this is pretty much a test. I'm a little wary because it's not in my sight, but I have no place else to park to look. So far, what I'm concerned about is the end of the mission, because if it does a return to home, it's got to have a little bit more altitude than that, because there's a big hill in front of me and the trees are high. The old dead tree, that's like a landmark. You can see that from the road. Cool thing about this too is that it just did a big perimeter. If you don't have enough battery to finish the flight, it will come back, and then you can change the battery and resume it. So it's doing the interior grid now, or it's about to. %70 battery, and I'm halfway through, so I should be alright. I think it said this was going to take 12 minutes, and I'm at 7 minutes 34 seconds. Wish it would go a little faster. Just hurry up and wait. I think it's just about done when it gets to that 119 feet area. Even if it's not, I'm going to bring it back because I don't know if it's supposed to fly over those white lines on the grid, but I'm not going to fucking wait and find out because I'm down to, well, 57% battery's pretty good, but see, I don't know if the mission is going to be, I think it said about 10 minutes, so. I believe, yeah, that's probably the end of it right there. 119 feet. Or not. What the fuck's it doing? Why is he going back down there again? Dashboard. Can't look at the dashboard. Now it's flying across. Yeah, it's done.
Drone is returning home.
I'll do this manual. I don't want to hit a fucking tree. Can't videotape this because it was set to camera mode. There's me. Should be coming up. Right over my head. I'm going up instead of forward. Okay, facing me. D-dub out.